My name is Glenn McEwen from Montrose, Colorado. Paul Davis Restoration. We are a fire and water damage restoration full service company. We currently have an operation in Avon, Colorado. We wanted to reach out and expand, so we focused on Montrose as a central location for that area. And Colorado Outdoors had new facilities that were large enough to accommodate our operation. My first contact was with Doug Dragoo, and we just hit it off right off the bat. They've shared the 12 incentives that are offered, both state, local, and regional incentives for the operation that they have on the Colorado Outdoor Opportunity Zone. And we digested that information, and it was a perfect match for our operation. And so they've been great. Doug and both his son David, we've met several times, and they've just been totally supportive of our operation. The diversification of businesses that are coming within the Colorado Outdoors project are so vast that it's going to be an automatic economic growth for the community and a growth for the job development within the community as well. We're grateful to be within this community. We're happy to be here. We're very excited about our opportunity within the Colorado Outdoor Zone, and look forward to serving the community.